comes Harbourview on the attack. Oh, delightful pass across. Campbell, can he get a shot off? Campbell! What a goal! Norman Campbell strikes his 4th goal of the season. And you'll have to think that Harbourview has snatched it here on 92 minutes.
Excellent pass by Orland Harding. We just said he was our man of the match, but maybe he has to move over and give that award to Norman Campbell. What a finish off the left foot. But that goal owed everything to Orland Harding's driving run.
No problems in the fair goal there for Siobhan Wilson. Harbourview on the counter.
So this is the play from Campbell early doors. Defender goes sliding. That should make the highlight reel somewhere.
And there's Campbell now going with a quick pass inside, looking here for the speedy Campbell. Oh, Campbell does really well here. Reed fending off, but unsuccessfully. Campbell!
He didn't have the pace to stay with him. Look at him, look at him. Feeling already. And Campbell runs by, runs around.
Yeah, that had a bit of comic about it.
Oh, yes. And collapses to the turf lands.
Yeah, Campbell there with the effort and...
No shot. Who are you? Well done, man.
Yesterday, his effort crashes into a firm-looking Harbourview wall.
Another shoulder barge by Richie into Norman Campbell, and the youngster showing no sign that he was hurt. He's saying that you're not going to win the mental war. I'm not going to show you that you hurt me, even if you did. The second time he's getting a shoulder barge, and that must hurt, but he's unflinching, Norman Campbell.
Yeah, as I said, there was a confidence about him earlier on today when we spoke with him. We'll watch him closely tonight. He looks to be in the mood for football and goals.
Almost from the byline, from the touchline rather, to find a mark inside the penalty box. Not good enough.
Campbell, the speedy one, goes for goal. The speedy Campbell gets away from Leng with ease. Still has the ball, Campbell. Cross-threatening. These youthful Harbourview men, and now Campbell is on the prowl on the left. Campbell strike straight to Davis on the near post.
Right on the money, Kadeem Davis.
But look how quickly Campbell, because of his speed, was able to shift in a position to get room to shoot. This is poor. Campbell goes for goal. Oh, to the post.
And the post. Look at this. Gets the overlapping run, doesn't use it from Staple. Bang! And the keeper got a hand to that, I can tell you.
And then Staple with this strike also out to the far post. Goes long. The speedy Campbell getting close to it. Can he get a shot off? Campbell, still Campbell. Campbell! And immediately, Plunkett, the reserve goalkeeper, has work to do in the second half.
Another thing we haven't spoken about where Campbell is concerned, his ability with both feet. This cross comes, should have been cut out by Johnson. Instead, Campbell cuts it back from the left to the right. And Plunkett's positioning was excellent.
Yeah, got a lot of power on the shot. Goes down the line for Staples. Opportunity for the cross inside. Goalkeeper misses it. 2-0.
Look at this. You need to go and engage, son. The ball bounces once. And yeah, Lumven may have helped it over. We can tell from here.
Pretty close.
Pretty close.
Yeah.
I'd give the striker. So I'd give Norman Campbell a second goal.
Norman Campbell. The Harbourview team getting into some exhibition stuff now. And Brown, he's on a yellow card, isn't he?
No. It was actually Angie Brown who got the...
Yeah, but Yeah, there's the play by
Alleviators now. Louvis squeezes it inside to Campbell. Campbell beats the man one way, then comes back with the right foot, gets it across. And the defenders are sleeping. Campbell, no, he doesn't pull the trigger. And in the end, a little tone effort.
Exciting happening with him.
And there is Norman Campbell gets the ball on his right foot.
Norman Campbell, who has looked the part since, was decent. No, Norman Campbell can break. It's 2v2 now for Harborview. Romario Campbell goes on a run. Is that they both attended Bridgeport at some point in their life, but not during the same time. And goalkeeper Smith showing his...
He's in a good position to intercept.
Campbell in possession here, has a lot of pace. Leng chases Campbell. Wants to get the quick pass upfield to Keslan Hall. George did suggest that he has only had 4 days with this team, and a lot of it has been mental, trying to just set things right from what has been a bit of an acrimonious parting with the former coach Damien Stewart. McCullough. Good aggressive challenge there from Anglin for Harborview. His pass is cut off. But here comes Campbell now. Has some room here, Howell. Campbell goes wide. Oh, that gives Staple a lot of work to do, but Staple does well. Campbell with a header on goal. No, the challenge on. He just thought he had one to beat. Oh, unfortunate for Campbell that ball squeezed over the touchline. Still looking very, very lively, Norman Campbell, even though we're on the hour mark, and he has done a lot of running tonight.
Love his aggression.
Yeah, but he's that kind of player. Pacey and aggressive, like Beckford has. And the Dunbeholden strike man leads the pack. What will Taylor choose to do here?
He's going for goal.
So why didn't Kevon Isaac strike it then, if that's the plan? Well, Taylor wants it. Goes for goal straight into the wall. So the Harborview wall does the job. Leng. Campbell stepping. Penalised by referee Nation. Free kick to Montpleasant deep inside, or, well, close to the top of their own half. Green under a lot of pressure from Campbell.
This is the joy of youth, or the benefit of youth. Norman Campbell is running as if it were the first minute of the game. Boundless energy from the young man.
Norman Campbell's pace. Oh, doesn't protect the ball well enough.
But I do have a problem with that, though. He was aggressive and positive, didn't have help, and tried to finish off the run by attacking Lumsden, who has defended him well so far, it must be said.
Yeah. Very difficult player to contain, Norman Campbell, because of his pace. McDonald breaks free for Harborview. Oh, delightful pass to the left. Campbell! 1-0. Second goal of the season. And Harborview are in front.
Look at Campbell on the turn. Bebita McDonald gives him an excellent option, running to his right, then just hangs it up, inviting Campbell to volley home. And the former JC standout does just that. There's an injury. In the meantime, Harborview man down on his haunches. We'll tell you who it is in short order. But this is very good football from Harborview, their best bit of football all night.
McDonald. First touch good enough. Middle channel. He just played it away from him. Norman Campbell now. Harborview probably looking to sign this off with a third goal. Campbell. Oh, deflection. I think he's won a corner.
Oh, he does well.
Just missing on the far post. Timor Lewis.
Harding seemed to be in no man's land, and this ball by Norman Campbell, the flick.
Harborview trying to get their transition play going before the Arnott players recover. Campbell.
That call.
Campbell back on. That's the substitute failing to get there. Arnott's defenders laboring to. That's Romario Campbell to Norman Campbell. Darts into the box, Campbell.
Pressure with it! Pressure!
Where here's Levy. Levy with a ball up front for Campbell it is. Campbell gets a chance to unleash off a shot. Gets it to McDonald! Off the post! Brilliant effort by McDonald! And ball in the middle of the park. It's Norman Campbell for Harborview. Tavis Grant. And another tumble taken. Free kick, that is. Taken quickly. And here's Harborview on the attack again. Up front to Staple, gets it inside. And here's a chance for Levy. Can he shoot? No, it's Campbell. Norman Campbell, the number 10.
Oh, they seem to be settling down, and they have had one or two chances.
Yeah.
His body into the right place, and it worked out for him.
All right, so Campbell coming all the way back for it to Harborview. Outside to Bennett, back inside to Campbell, back to Bennett. Nice football. Here's a good clearance by Harborview. Harborview will come away with it this time around. Down that, and Farquharson will make the clearance. Whistle on the play. In the meantime, here is a chance. Here's Campbell now fully recovered from that injury, back inside the ball. Here's a shot to goal, and just over is right back Staple.
I think.
And Cavalier playing around with it. Oh, that was given away. Here's a shot. Oh, that could be a free kick on the edge of the box. We're nicely towards Campbell. Campbell twisting and turning. The crowd likes what they're seeing. Brings it inside for Beckett. Beckett finds himself fairly deep. Slips it off to Campbell. Campbell!
There's Norman Campbell, recently turned 20 years old, a Manning Cup winner with Jamaica College, and one of the leading scorers at the moment for this Harborview team. He has had 3 goals so far this season. Did have a summer trial with Stoke City in England back in July, August, and he confidently told us a few hours ago that he's looking for goals tonight and also a victory for the Harborview team.
So I'm here with Norman Campbell. Norman, this trophy is yours. Congratulations. Good game. Tell me about how did you enjoy the experience out there tonight?
Well, the experience was great. We get instruction from the coaches and we just carry it out. The coach said, let's fight, and we just come fight. 2 goals for you on the season so far. That was a well-taken strike. Were you always confident that Peter McDonald would have found you with that cross? Yeah, we've been working on it from training, so I was fully confident in my player to just get the cross and I finish.
Well, good luck tonight and all the best for the remainder of the season.
Thank you.
Good. Norman Campbell there, the goal scorer, the man who opened the scoring for Harbour.